Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create your forum and the thread backlink on this site. So the website name is sackontheweb.net. So this is a website name and the URL, and you can see this is a website dashboard, that kind of threads you can create, and the forum. So before this started, we can resolve something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 50, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 47, and the spam score is only 8%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 316.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, Australia, Russia, Germany, Canada, and the another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your backlink on these site. So now we can start. So first thing, I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you can access easily. So simply you can click on the login and join button, and there is a join button. You can click on this, and there is a free option, so you can click on this. There you can add your username and your email address and your password. Then after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and if you're wanting newsletter, so you can check this box, either you can ignore. Then you can click on the sign up button. So you can see our profile is successfully created, and we receive a token email. So account is currently waiting for the approval. Yeah, so they will send you a verification email, so you can verify your profile. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So our account is successfully verified, and after that you can click on this, and there is an option to, you can click on the account setting button. Click on the profile. Go back, okay, account details, and there you can add your website URL, and there you can add your location. Company location is very important because this is an app, so where you guys are providing a correct information about your company, like your business name, business address, and the business number. So this is a very important. So whenever you guys are creating your profile or anything related to your business, so make sure you guys can provide a correct information about your company. Okay, so please enter a valid city. So there you can add only city, so city is Delhi. After that, there you can, in the about section, there you can add your company description. Yeah, and we can add our website URL. So let me try if they can allow to, we can create, because a while ago when I'm creating they are not aligned to. You can add a hyperlink on your any targeted keyword. So next we can add our social details. Video is this. After that you can click on the save button. Okay, so please enter a Twitter username, and your content cannot be submitted be likely because content. Okay, So if you can insert any hyperlink in your content, so they will consider if this is spam, so you can ignore to attaching to creating backlink in your description. And also in the Twitter we can add only username. So let me click. So our changes is successfully submitted, and after that you can click on the your profile button, and from there, if you can see, if you wanting to upload a custom avatar, so there is an option to, if you are having what we can call, where we can upload our profile picture gravatar. So if you have your gravatar, if you have created your gravatar account, so they will fetch your profile logo automatically. And there is awesome threads option, so like a post, follow a forum, and the reply to threads. So if I can show you, this is instant approved backlink or not. So let me check once. Members, I guess this is only for the, your account is currently awaiting for the approval by administrator, will be received when. Okay, so this account should be take a couple of time to approve. So you can create your profile, and you guys will wait a couple of time, because whenever you guys are creating a backlink, so make sure to you can provide a correct information about your company and the details about your company. So after that, there is a 2 to 3 option to you can create your threads on this site, and also a forum on this site. So whenever your account should be going to approve, you are able to create those backlinks. Okay, so there is a forum and the thread option, so you can use upcoming days, so whenever your account should be going to approve. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.